Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can give a parallax effect to a strip background. So let's see, we have a strip here. I have opened the editor and there is an image in the strip background. It has been set as a strip background. So just click on this. After click on the strip, I will show it again. So just click on strip and the second option is background scroll effects. There are many effects, but I will show you one by one after this video. I will make each video for each of them, explaining about them. So this is the parallax effect that I'm going to show you now. So right now I have added a parallax effect and now let's review it. So as you can see, it has a parallax effect. I will again show you by adding a different image for a different strip. So let's say we have this strip, we add an image. We'll just click to this. I think this is the image. Okay, it has taken it finally. So I will again add a parallax effect and now I will preview it from this. Like this will be better to see. As you can see, it has a parallax effect. This is how you can do it. I hope you understood and stay tuned for new upcoming videos on Wix and any other CMS platforms. Thank you.